Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. It's your girl again, Mabel. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Be a part of this amazing family. Click down below the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I upload new video. In today's video, I just want to show you how I make my serum, my lightening facial or decoloration or blemishes or acne scar serum. This serum is very effective and has a very high potency to help get rid of dark patches, white patches, decoloration, hyperpigmentation. Is effective to give you that glowing complexion. So this is an amazing serum that I want to make for one of my customers, just to say thank you. Is my very good customer, so I'm just gonna make this for her. So I'm gonna start off by putting this hyaluronic acid inside this. Ensure all your equipment are sterilized. So I'm going to dissolve with my propylene glycol. I'm going to be leaving the link of where to get this product in my description box. If I didn't put it, just be patient. You can only dissolve hyaluronic acid with propylene glycol or other oil, carrier oil, not distilled water. Distilled water, yes, but it's going to take a long time before it dissolves. So if you can be patient to wait for like half an hour or thereabout for it to dissolve, fine. You can go ahead and use distilled water, but to be quicker, I use my propylene glycol. So yeah, I make this thing every now and then, so I know what I'm doing. So this is dissolved. I'm going to add my niacinamide powder. Ensure to stir properly to dissolve it. So yeah. Then I'm going to add my vitamin C. At the end of it, I'm going to take the pH. So pH balance should be between 4.5 to 5.5 to 5.8, which is a very good pH for you to incorporate or use as as part of your skincare routine or product. So next, I'm going to add my anatone powder. Everything is dissolved. So next, I'm going to add my kojic acid whitening or lightening serum. So I'm going to add my kojic acid in it. You see? So next I'm gonna add my glutathione powder. You can add your alpha-butane powder, it depends. I'm gonna add my glutathione powder. You need, when you're doing serum, ensure you know the skin type of your customer. If their skin type is oily combination, or oily, or you have if they are dry skin, if they are normal skin. So you know, with dry skin, that means they are prone to sensitivity. So you need to know their skin type in order for you to know the right ingredient to add. So I know my customer has skin type. So I'm going to use the witch hazel. You can either use witch hazel or glycerin. Since I have my propylene glycol inside, which is also okay. So this time I'm going to just add my rose water in it. But before I go ahead and do that, I'm going to add my vitamin E. 100%. When I have time, I'm going to upload most of the stuff on my website so that you can get your hand on the original. And you can see each time I put any product in it, I stir thoroughly to make sure they all dissolve properly. If I should show you now, you see. So the next one, I'm going to go with the tea tree. Just 5 drops because I'm making small quantity. Then you stir. Next, I'm going to go with my pine oil. Just few drops. Then next, finally, I'm going to go with my aloe vera. I've got a little bit of this here. Then this is my cucumber juice. So I'm just going to put a little bit of it. So now I'm going to add my rose water. And I'm going to add my polysulfate 80 to bind both the liquid and the oil phase together. You can see it's very thick. So I hope you guys can see. So this is the end product of my serum, which is very effective on blemishes, effective on discoloration, hyperpigmentation, acne scar. It helps to give you that glowing whitening complexion. It fades away blemishes, it fades away acne scar. And I've taken the pH of this serum, which is amazing. I'm going to be using the leftover, and this is just as a gift to say thank you to my lovely customer. She always order a massive order from me, so just want to say thank you to her. Amazing customer. She has been with me now going to, since I started selling my products since last year. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe and also click the notification bell. Thank you so much, and bye.